Hi, this is Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and we're here today to take a look at the Ledges, which is arguably one of the most popular family-friendly complexes at the entire lake. It offers on-site complex management, a huge sand beach, an interior pool, and this fantastic large pool on the point that takes in the great views and all the fantastic boats that travel by. Let's take a look around. Welcome to Unit 10110 at the Ledges. This condo has literally been updated from top to bottom. New sheetrock, new paint, new trim, new carpet in the bedrooms, new LVP flooring through the kitchen and the living room. New cabinets with granite countertops in the kitchen and all new appliances. Additionally, all new furniture through the whole unit. But the most unique thing about this condo is you're in building 10, so you have a great view of the main channel and you have a nice deck, but also it has a private lakeside patio on the lower level. It's a 2-level unit, and that is unique to only 2 units in the entire complex. So if you'd like to take a look at this condo with this incredibly unique patio overlooking the main channel, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 and we'll take care of you. Thanks for looking.